How to install our heavy-duty monitor mount with gas spring. Insert the hex wrench into the top of the base and rotate it to open the clamp until it is wider than the thickness of your desk. Slide the clamp onto the desk and tighten the clamp back down until it is secure. Ensure the mount is in the final location before finishing assembly, as changing the location of the clamp will require removing the arms and pull. Grommet mounting option. Loosen the clamp on the base completely using the hex wrench until you can remove both the clamp plate and the clamp bolt. Insert the grommet bolt into the top of the base and position the base over the grommet hole. Attach the grommet plate onto the end of the grommet bolt and use the hex wrench to tighten the mount to the desk. Place the pole onto the base and use the hex wrench to tighten the set screw to secure it, but do not over-tighten. Put the cable management clip and collar on the pole and tighten the set screws on the collar. Slide the lower arm in to place on top of the collar. Insert the spring arm into the open end of the lower arm and tighten the set screw to secure it. Attach the Visa plate to the end of the spring arm using the Visa connector washer and Visa connector bolt. Remove the thumb screw from the back of the Visa head and remove the Visa plate. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt for your monitor's mounting holes. Verify the length of the Visa bolt is not too long, then install the Visa plate onto the monitor. Hang the monitor onto the end of the mount arm and reinstall the thumb screw. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitors. Position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. If necessary, adjust the monitor tilt using the side bolt. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the bolt. Remove the cable management covers by sliding them up parallel to the arms, then pulling them away. Route cables and reinstall the covers.